Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have linear compound with bromine. We're reacting with two different reagents, potassium hydroxide and potassium tertiary beta oxide. You have to find what difference it can make. Here basically two different reagents. Interestingly, it has two different mechanisms. KOH is the smaller nucleophile, so it has the possibility of attack and go with the substitution. On the contrary, if you use the bulk nucleophile cannot attack in the system because it's itself bulky, so it just abstract the proton, and bromine is a good leaving group, leads to the elimination reaction, form alkene. The smaller one leads to the alcohol, which is substitution. Bigger one leads to the alkene, which is elimination. The mechanism in both categories SN2 and E2 only because of the reagent. The concept you have to learn here is bulk nucleophile always promote elimination reaction. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.